Hello Falcons. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I hope everything's going well. Hope you guys watched the videos. So anyway, today I'm going to make, there's going to be two. The first one, we're just going to go over this couple bell work questions, and I'm going to go through a couple of the homework questions, and then we'll go to video 2. So if you pull up these guided notes for today, you'll see the first part has, there's 5 bell work questions. So it says, the first question says, in the diagram, quadrilateral DEFG is similar to PQRS. And so then I think it says find the scale factor. And then for 2 and 3, it says find X and find Z. So for the scale factor, we want to look for the corresponding sides that would match, that there's 2 numbers on each. So how about if we look at DG and PS? DG and PS, we would have 48 to 24. And we know DEFG is the larger one, so the scale factor is a 2-to-1 ratio. To find the value of X, I think this is relatively simple. If we look at the side that it corresponds with, 36, PQ would have to be 18, so X equals 18. And then for Z, does angle E equal angle Q? And it looks like they're in the same position in the notation, so Z would be 122 degrees. All right, so then for number 4, it says determine whether the triangles are similar. So we're looking to see if it is the side angle side for similar triangles. I see we have one pair of angles equal, angle A and angle D. So then we want to see if the 2 sides that include that angle are proportional to each other. So 27 is to 9, as 48 is to 16. Those are both a 3-to-1 ratio, so we're good to go with the triangles are similar. And now it says write the similarity statement. So we want to make sure that we get the corresponding sides in the right order. So we would have triangle BAC is similar to triangle EDF. Number 5, are these triangles similar? Well, I'm thinking we're going to have to tell if they're similar by side, side, side. So we'll have 24 is to 16, as 24 is to 16, as 36 is to 28. So 24 to 16, we would have a 3 to 2, right? If we divided each one by 8, so we'd have 3 to 2, 3 to 2, and then with 36, those are both divisible by, 18 to 14, 9 to 7. So, not good. So no, they're not similar. Not similar. And then number 6. In number 6, are those 2 similar? We haven't used angle for a while, so yes, those are similar by angle for similar triangles. And then we want to name them, so we'll say, if I say triangle QRP, it's going to be similar to triangle SRT. All right. From the homework last night, number 3, this one it says, are the triangles at the right similar? Well, we don't know for sure. But then in order to find, it says, if so, what is X? So I'm not sure. I would just say 84 is to 10, as X is to 3. And then we would find the value of X that would make those 2 triangles similar. And so then that is 25.2. For number 5, it says, are the 2 triangular flags similar? So I matched up the corresponding sides to see if they were similar by side, side, side. And so I had 4.2 is to 2, as 9 is to 4.8, as 10.5 is to 5. Simplifying those, or figuring out what the value is, I have 2.1 here, 2.1 here, and 1.875. So that is no good. And then I switch those around just to check. Excuse me. And that doesn't work either. Number 8. When we look at number 8, we want to see if the 2 pair of sides that include that angle are going to be proportional to each other. So I checked 10 is to 6 as 12 is to 8. This is 5 to 3 and 3 to 2, so that doesn't work. So then I switched it around and said 10 is to 8 is 12 is to 6. Well, this is a 2 to 1 ratio, so that's no good as well. And then number 9, when we look and we check the corresponding sides that include those vertical angles, we would have 15 is to 3 as 18 is to 3.6, and so that works out. Plus they have the vertical angles here that are equal, so we are good by side angle side. For number 11, it says determine whether each pair of triangles is similar. When possible, find the value of x. So I said yes for number 11 because I checked 21 is to 28. That would be a pair of corresponding sides. And then 30, AE is to AC, which would be 40. Those both reduce to 3 to 4, so the scale factor is 3 to 4. And then let's see. So I checked these two again because the angle here, angle C, and this angle at vertex E are equal, so side angle side. And then I can find x by using the scale factor. 3 is to 4 is 54 is to x, cross multiplying, and I get x is equal to 72. Number 15 I thought was an interesting question because it says find the value of x that makes triangle PQR similar to TUV. Well, we need to remember, because I know we talk a lot about proportional, we have to remember that corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So if this angle is 40, angle T is 40. If angle Q is 2x, angle U is 2x. Angle R and angle V are going to be equal. So since the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180, I did that and got x equals 42.5. All right. And then the last one, I won't go through the whole story problem here, but what we're actually doing is very simple. We're just setting up the proportionality here with 20 is to 10 as AB is to 25. And then when we cross multiply here, we would get the river is 50 feet wide. All right, so that's for the homework. Our next video will cover triangle proportionality.